Do you know there are places in our universe where diamonds fall from the sky? Deep within the icy giants Neptune and Uranus, scientists believe a truly extraordinary phenomenon occurs: diamond rain. These distant planets, with their extreme pressures and temperatures, create the perfect conditions for carbon atoms to compress into diamonds. As methane, a compound rich in carbon, sinks deeper into these planets, intense pressure strips the hydrogen atoms from the carbon. The freed carbon atoms bond together, forming long chains that crystallize into diamonds. These diamonds, forged under immense pressure, are thought to fall like rain, creating a surreal and otherworldly spectacle. While this theory is supported by lab experiments and computer simulations, the extreme conditions within these planets make direct observation impossible. Nevertheless, the idea of diamond rain adds to the mystique and wonder of our universe. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, out there, in the cold depths of space, it might just be raining diamonds.